Joy's face.
Oh. Yuck. Oh man, what's this? Should we go hard?
Oh,
What you go with?
I just don't want you to get me.
It's just touching it, man. Oh man. Oh, that's sore as fuck. That's just a little bit.
Please don't squirt me.
Oh, that's chunky. Oh man, look at that bit hanging out.
It's like a worm.
Fuck man, that's coming down, eh?
No, but it's a better view that way. Oh my fucking god! Oh! No wonder why my brother's dumb, man. There goes his brain cells. Oh! It's got stuck in the drain. That was like an artery.
Fuck. Oh man. Oh.
You should pressurize from under your eye, like here, and push it in, like from this side, in. Because that is so built up there. No, this side. So if you come from this way. Yeah, but come from this way, not like that. Come from this way. And push it in that way.
My eye.
Yeah, I know, but it's because it's swollen. That's sick as shit for that hole. Oh, I think you might need to leave that alone now. Is he going for more? You give him the rest?
Yeah.